Hey, it's Zach Koops for the Harrisonburg Homes team and Klein May Realty. If you're hunting for a house in this tight inventory market, you're not going to want to miss this 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home here in beautiful Weyers Cave. Welcome to 62 Autumn Bluff Drive. Inside, enjoy a large living room with hardwood floors, adjacent to a kitchen with granite countertops, neighboring a dining area that opens out onto the rear deck. There's got to be some cookies in here somewhere. The finished basement has plenty of room for additional family living, gathering areas, game room, romper room, or rent it out for additional income. Personally, I prefer a karate dojo. Wah! Yeah! Relax and unwind on your back deck after a long day. Grill out for dinner, or play a game of kickball in your massive fenced-in backyard. Thanks for joining me on this tour of 62 Autumn Bluff Drive here in beautiful Weyers Cave, Virginia. For questions or to schedule your own private showing, please give me a call, 540-746-8753. And remember, it's your move.